Here I've got ID2ME ID1, and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open a list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here under personal you will notice backup and reset. Just open it and now activate it simply by tapping on this switcher, backup my data. And now it's time to set your backup account, so click on backup account and then tap on plus to add the account. Now give your device a short while to check all the info. And you can log in either with your Gmail or phone number. You can also create the account if you do not have one. I will log in with my Gmail, so it's HardReset.Info. And okay, there should be one at the end at gmail.com. And then tap on next. It's time to enter the password. Just if you will click on the eye icon, you will be able to see what you are typing. As you can see, so let me enter mine off the screen. And as only it's typed, just tap on next. Here we've got the Google Terms of Service and also privacy policy. You should come along with all the documents to be aware of what you are agreeing with. And once you do it, just tap on I agree, obviously if you do. Now your device will check all the information, it will upload them. And now as you can see, backup option is active, so just tap on next. And that's it. From now on, your data will be backed up by Google account. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.